Hey, a couple of weeks ago, I was giving a masterclass for Bitwig in, I think, in the ADE lab or what it was called. It was during ADE 2025, and Friday morning, beautiful people, a bit hungover probably, but it came out very, very nice. There were even people waiting outside who weren't allowed to get in because of maximum capacity. And also afterwards, people really wanted to see what I was doing. And that's why I'm here. That's why you're watching this video. Bitwig and me, we take marketing so dead serious that, of course, we forgot to record it back then. That's why I'm doing it again. What I was doing was building a groove solely on the internal sounds of Bitwig, together with one hardware synthesizer. In this case, a DFAM clone. And all of this connected with Bitwig Connect. Such a coincidence because of its CV capabilities up here. And also it has this really beautiful one big knob, which I'll talk about later. Bitwig pays me to do this, so consider this as advertising. My name is Stemming, and we start with a bass drum. V1 kick is here. All right. Oh, some noise. The punch means the pitch envelope. But I'm not a big fan of this in general, so it's a me decision. Let's leave it like that. I'll drop in 1, 2, 3. Oh, wrong. Not that it would make any difference. 3, 4 on C3. Copy that. Let's go. Also, what's happening? Yeah. No loop on. Now loop is on. By the way, you can scroll the play head up here. It's pretty cool. Now, most importantly, the hardware CV instrument is connected out 9 to advanced clock. That means the sequencer will switch to one step further every time it receives a gate or a trigger. And then the audio output from the edge goes into in3 here. Over here. So we should already hear something. Yes, we do. And instead of pressing trigger or using a MIDI clock or whatsoever, I will program some gates or some trigger. I think a trigger has a little bit of a different shape than a gate. And this is 1 too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, corresponding to the 8 steps down here. As a trigger is a very, very short signal. The gate is longer. That's why I will take care to shorten the length of each note. And it already should be playing, but no, I forgot to press the play button. Let's go. Oh yeah, that comes out not bad. Maybe it's slow, maybe a bit slow. And also I want to add some swing to it. I personally, I like swing in around like a fifth or something to the max value. In this case, it's 20. Hello, did you apply that? Yes, you did. Also a bit faster. 1, 2, 3. I also want to have a reverb. Oh, please. Convolution. Now the big knob. It allows me to tweak any parameter that has this little white triangle above it. So now the send is active for I could, oh, let's hear that. All right, so there's this. So I think this one is a bit too loud. I can feedback it. Let's hear what's happening. Oh, dangerous. All right. A bit faster, huh? 1, 2, 7. Now I will play around with the sequence, with the analog synthesizer, which is the 2 oscillators, filter, output VCA. And see which tweak does something interesting to the sound. Oh, by the way, velocity is connected to VCF decay. It's basically that one, but controlled by velocity. Just to give it a bit more life right from the beginning. That's why that tone is even bigger than before. And also the bass drum needs a bit more power, I believe. For this, I use the filter plus, switch off the actual filter, but use the heat instead. Maybe a bit too much, just a bit. Okay, so cutoff, of course. But I have to say, like, if there's no pitch, it's also quite nice, isn't it? I want to use frequency modulation amount from inside Bitwig. So therefore I use this for CV outs and look for the hardware CV out. I guess I will use output 10 for this. Do I have a cable here? Yes, I have. So connect output 10 to FM amount and close it. So now I will control the frequency modulation amount with this encoder knob, whatever, and also with this one. So let's see. I scroll to the beginning, and here and here. It seems that only the positive value is recognized. Maybe. Okay, I want to do this movement. Yes, I will do it. Yes, I will do it. I'm afraid we're making some music here, not just the groove. I will automate it and then use a bass sound next to it. Did I do something wrong here? No? Okay, good. Oh man, this fan is so loud. Actually, I hate computers that have a loud fan, like a cooling fan in cooling. Really, I hate those. Apart from that, the Surface 8, that's my daily driver. It's pretty cool. It has the touch functionality. My hands feel more natural, and it's very thin. On the road, I really use it. Of course, I don't use it in the studio. I have a stronger computer for that, and it's not really the strength. Seriously, it's the fan. I hate the fan. And I forgot to switch to number 8 here. That's always a bit of a problem, but we're getting there. Okay, automation. You see, it's automated. It's in here. For the bass, what I will be using is the Polymer. Polymer is pretty good. Let's see if the computer can handle it. I'm curious. Let me look for analog rain. Okay, that's a different. It just sounds so good. I mean the sound, the name of the sound. Yeah, okay. Do it again. Please. I see. Okay, I need to put this over here. Oh shit, what did I do? Hey. Okay. Because then I can prolong this over here. One, two, three, four. Okay, I'm a bit confused here. Don't be mad at me. Hi-hat? I really like the modeling of the 909 and 808 hats, especially the 909 used to be a sample anyhow, so that fits pretty well. Oh, come on. I'm getting old, do I? So we have the frequency modulation. I also want to, I want to change something with the synth. And also, this is what I figured, if there's like too much musical information in there right from the beginning, it's already taken to the test if it's good or not. And I might rethink this analog rain sound actually. I mean, I just threw it in. I didn't even check any other sound, so that's fair enough. What I wanted to do now is... Yeah, okay. VCF. noise level. I'm afraid of changing the frequencies here because then I will lose the beautiful tonality. No. Okay. I want to change the cutoff also from inside Bitwig. Therefore, I use another hardware CV out. I just copy that one, but route it to output 11. No, wait, I cannot because it's also copying the automation. Output 11. So I deleted the connection between noise and filter. Without this connection, it sounds like this. But because it's half modular, that means you can like jump in between this connection and kind of override it. And if I open up this encoder, now the cutoff can be controlled from inside Bitwig. Oh wow, I'm running into battery issues. Let's see how this works out with the bass drum. I use a different sound here, really. Can I go into category? Hey, no basses? Can't be true. Synth bass, yes. Bass line. No. No. Double bass. I'm not sure about the F here. Maybe let me see if I can use another. I'm going down to B flat, right? So what about hello? Can I change it? No? Okay, no worries. I do it by hand. Okay. And instead of the hi-hat here, I might be, what happens here? Yeah, I like this one, really. And I will add one more element. What about the snare, but not as in a snare, but I will use it differently. So if you focus well enough, it's totally possible to play something proper without the need to quantize it afterwards. Okay, why did I do that? Because so that's a general shell part. Short click. Okay, noise. Decay. All right. So now what we're gonna do now is I will build a macro on top of all these parameters in here. I do this via the project bar up here. And as you can see, it's pretty much the same way of modulating things as if it was, let's say, that one synthesizer, which of course I can change via any of these modulators here. So, macro on project level, I will hardwire this macro to this button, to this knob, so I can, wherever I am, like use this knob from wherever I am, wherever my battery is, this knob can be used. All right, so I open it up, so I hear the effect immediately. The arrow is activated. I lower the bass drum. Ding, ding, ding. Of course. Also want to have some more here. A bit lower. The head needs to be longer. Some reverb in here as well. Tiny bit of reduction. The snare needs to be longer as well. Alright, shall we go back? 2, 3, 4. I really need a rim click. I really need a rim click. Yeah. So these modulation possibilities in Bitwig are really, really powerful in my belief. Also, this one knob is a lot of fun, especially because the touchscreen input isn't like the most precise. Our fingers, well, the UI is made for a mouse, basically, a mouse pointer, and our fingers are a bit bigger than a mouse, I'm afraid. So the UI always needs some rework. I'm using the tablet user interface out of all these, and I'm using it also in the studio, and for like 7-8 years now. I'm pretty happy with it, I have to say. Yeah, so that was pretty much what I did at ADE. I hope you enjoyed it. Follow me on my socials and especially listen to my music. Use Bitwig if you feel like, and that's it from my side. Cheers. Could also work without the bass drum, so I don't reduce the bass drum. Instead, it's just a variation. records all of it in an automation. Does it? No, okay. But down here, track controls, volume. Could I? Wait. No, I'm curious. We have a little bit of battery left. Could I modulate this macro with the step sequencer? Just out of curiosity. No way. What the? Wow. Wow, okay. Okay. I never tried this before. Yeah, okay. So we need to stop. Cheers. Bye. Good night. Sleep well. Bye. And the battery dies.